If you are someone that chronically burps all of the time, for me, that is a low acid problem. You don't have enough acid inside your stomach to digest your food. It's sitting there fermenting, creating gas, and then you're burping all day. And you'll normally find that your burping is worse in the evening because that's when your stomach acid is lowest. Now, if you was one of my clients, the first thing I would do is rule out H. pylori, because the next step would be to give you some Digest Purge, which is a supplement I designed that contains both stomach acid and digestive enzymes, which should give you almost instant improvement in the burping. But you have to rule out H. pylori first, because if you have H. pylori and you add stomach acid, sometimes it doesn't work very well and you can increase the chance of you getting an ulcer, even though that's super rare. But yeah, if you was one of my clients, Pylo Purge first to rule out H. pylori, and then I'll give you some Digest Purge to improve your digestive system, your stomach acid production and your enzymes.